All right, you're welcome back again. The next thing we want to look at today is to look at what we call scatterplot. In part, it's called XY uh, graph, right? But we call it a scatterplot. Scatterplot look at the association between two numerical variables. Okay, that is you see how they are associated, how they are related. That is scatterplot look at two numerical variables. Right, we want to look at that in the past as well, and also want to look at how categorical variable also can be related, can be used to group the scatter plots based on two relationship of the numeric variables. So we're going to look at that quickly under this section. So we're going to look at our data set again, just a copy as usual. So we put our path, we paste here as usual. We set our group variable, categorical variable, we set it. Right. So now we want to first thing we want to look at it first is to look at body mass against flipper length. Want to see any relationship between the body mass and flipper length, these two. To look at how they are related using scatter plots. All right. So the first thing we want to do is to just go to plot and use that SY graph. All right. Click on SY graph. So this is scatter plot of flipper length and body mass. You can actually flip the axis, okay? Flip the axis, okay, to see. Maybe you now put body mass here and the flipper length here, right? But sometimes if the data is not maybe giving enough relationship in terms of correlation, you can see the movement they are well correlated. You can log the body, the y-axis. You can log it. You can find the log of the y-axis. Maybe there are going to be some differences. You see some difference. There's a improvement in that particular plot. You can see the improvement because we log the y-axis. All right. So that is how you can do that. You can log it actually. So if you see that maybe the thing is not yielding much, you can log it. So as it comes back again. So in that case, the relationship will be increased, will be better. So you can do that. So now this is not just all you can do. You can also do group data. You can group them. So we want to look at, we can look at the body mass and flipper length in terms of their island, or either in terms of island or in terms of the species, or in terms of their sex or gender. Okay, you can look at it also. So how do we do that? We just now we must understand this concept quickly before we do that. So because when the past is use different methods to plot such a graph, you know, in the way it is done in other programs, not the same. For example, in R now you can control everything easily, but in here you cannot control easily. So now what you do to do is just that it takes the first categorical variable, okay, automatically by itself. It takes the first categorical. So if you want to use this island must come first in the group in this particular arrangement. But if you want to use species, you have to rearrange and make it that way. Species comes first. You want to use sex comes first. Okay, so you can the first one here is island. The first categorical variable is island. So you must understand that. That is the first thing you must know. Secondly, you must also set row color. Row color for them. For example, now just select all. Okay, go to edit, click on row colors. Okay, then here you can set color. So now the first one is it picks automatically here. You can see it picks the group here, and the group it picks is a island. You can see it's against Bisco and Dream. You can identify them easily. And you see this island. So you can pick the three groups in the island. So you can set the color you want from here. Okay, just open here. There's too many colors here. You can set the one you want from here. But if you want to set a color by yourself, you can set by yourself. Okay, you can set auto color. Okay, you can choose color for you. All right. So if you set auto color here now, all right, just click on auto color here. You can see it gives us a color. Or you can now choose here if you don't like that one. You can choose maybe different color here. Right. If you don't like that one, you can choose another color, maybe grayscale. But at least you already have color set here. So this color is okay. But if not okay by you, you can change it. All right, you can change it. Just change it from here. You can see. So I'm having green, blue, yellow here. So if you want to use symbol, you can use symbol. You open here now. You see several symbol here. You see now symbol plus, square, V, X, O, diamond, star. So many symbol here. Okay. If you don't want to use symbol, I will also show you how to use load image later. How to use your own image as a symbol here later. So as we progress, so that is that. So now I've chosen the color already. Now we have green, red, and blue. Okay, Toginsin is a green color, Bisco, red color, and dream blue color. So just close. So the color be applied automatically. You can see this display has changed. Now you now have colors here. You can see colors here. All right. I see the color here, so you have color. So now the next thing you now do, now I want to just select the two line here, these two. Okay, you want flipper length and body mass, okay, of the penguin, and they want to look at them based on island, because island is the first in the group here. I mean, in the list here. So just take this one. If you want to, like I said before, you want to use it, want to check consider the species under the species consideration. You just need to bring this one to the front. All right, if you want to for sex, bring the sex for the front. That's all. So you can just swap it. So you just go to plot, press SY graph. Can you see now? So I maximize. Okay, so this is the graph. You can also go to, let me color and increase this one to 4. And see it become more thicker. Right, so you can now change the SY this one. Let's say flipper length. Okay, let's just remove the underscore. Okay, flipper length only. I don't want to confirm with the meter. And body mass. Right, I'll remove the gram. Right, so body mass, flipper length. Right, so that is that for that. Okay, you can see that you can even add your grid if you want to add grid to it. Right, you can increase the font to 12. Right, so that is so you can save your plot when you are done. Okay, you can save. So you don't need to do much here actually, apart from if the plot is not yielding, you can now arrange it. So this is just this is a 95% ellipsis. Okay, so that one is not necessary here. You don't need to do any group label or flip axis until when you know yielding, you want to change the axis. All right, so that line. So but to me, I don't like all those lines here, so I'm okay with points here. So now you can save. All right, you can save your plot. Just click on graph here as usual. Okay, save the plot. So let me just save the plot here. I didn't save that one. Okay, that's why show me that. Okay, I didn't save. So let me just say move this. So we can put that here also. So you can see it's already showing here. So let's just save here PNG. Right, let's say save. Right, so let's call it scatter. So that is all. So you can see you can see make your scatter plots. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So if you want to for SY axis, for other, just change them as you want. Okay, and so it's very simple, very straightforward, right? So that is that for scatter plot. So I will see us in the next class. Thank you so much.